Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, from a field south of Opalton called Mainside. Rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there's a reflection of the lights. Just going a bit closer. Okay, first piece, a bit sugary. Whether it grinds down to make a solid stones, a bit of a gamble, but it is what it is. Material's quite hard, so backing will polish up quite nice. It's nice and thick, so you've got plenty of space to work on it. This piece, nice little eye of colour there. Looks like it might go back that way. How far, and if it goes far, how far, don't know. The other alternative is just to cut it, just to cut it into a little stone, with that being the top. This piece is quite nice. I think this material will grind off. You can see there's a opal light level. It's a nice little stone there on the end there. It is a little bit concave. This piece, royal blue seam. Just through here, you can see it coming through here. Peters out over that side, so how far it goes in, I'd suggest it's probably about that big. Oops, sorry. But anyway, basically pricing it on this stone alone. There was basically extras. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.